This is Jack. He is a farmer. He's got many funny animals. Let's meet them. This is Lucy, the sheep. Lucy has got a small nose. This is Ben, the chimp. Ben has got really big ears. This is Jack's chick Tom. He has got a small head. Strong is Jack's bulldog. He's got a short tail. Jumpy is a kangaroo. He's got a long tail. Mary is a cow. She's really funny. She has got a big mouth. Sam, Jack's koala bear, has got a fat body. He eats a lot. Becky is a frog. She lives near Jack's farm. She has got big eyes. There are 5 mice on the farm too. They have got thin legs. They are very funny. To describe animals, use have got. If you describe one animal, use has got. Cows have got big mouths, but a cow has got a big mouth. Use have not got or has not got in the negative sentences. Frogs haven't got tails. A frog hasn't got a tail. In the questions, use have or has before the subject. Have mice got long tails? Yes, they have. Has an elephant got small ears? No, it hasn't. Oh, look! This is Peggy. She lives on Jack's farm too. She's very strange. I think Jack can describe Peggy for us.
Peggy has got a big head and a fat body. Peggy hasn't got a tail.
Has Peggy got big eyes?
Yes, she has.
Has Peggy got big ears?
No, she hasn't. She's got small ears.
Peggy can speak, but she can't read Y at the end of the English words. Let's teach her how to do it. Well, letter Y makes the sound I at the end of the words of one syllable. For example, my, fly, dry. If the word has got more than one syllable, 2, 3 or more, letter Y makes the sound I. For example, funny, daddy, Lucy. Now Peggy can read letter Y. She's happy and she's saying to you, bye. Now it's grammar time. You know nouns can be singular, a bird, and plural. For example, 2 birds. Remember, some nouns are irregular plurals. Let's learn them. A man, men. A woman, women. A tooth, teeth. A foot, feet. A mouse, mice. Don't change the words sheep and fish. A sheep, sheep. A fish, fish. Farmer Jack wrote a poem to help us remember the nouns. Let's read it.
I've got 3 sheep and 7 fish. I've got 2 feet and many teeth. I've got 4 children and 6 mice. All of them are really nice. I've got 5 men and 7 women working on my farm today. Do you remember all the plurals? So it is okay.
Now Jack and all his funny animals are saying to you goodbye.